If you are a beginner to makeup and don't know where to start, or if you love Estée Lauder, its luxury products, and high-quality innovative formulations, this video is for you. Today, we will create a minimalist beginner makeup starter kit with Estée Lauder. I will compare the products with skin types, the finish, formulas, and also price, so you will easily choose your own beginner makeup kit. So I'm Cutie Lucy. First, lipstick.
Another day 슬픈 말은 하지 말아요 So far away.
If you want an everyday hydrating lipstick, go on Pure Color Creme lipstick. If you want a creamy texture, perfect for most occasions and office wear, this one's for you. It's suitable for year-round, especially for dry or mature skin. If you love bold, matte lips, choose Pure Color Matte Lipstick. If you want classic lipstick for matte events and evening events, this is a great choice. It is a good option for year-round, especially for fall or winter. If you prefer shine and hydration, try Pure Color Explicit Sleek Shine Lipstick. It is a good option for spring or summer, dry or normal skin. Blush. If you want a natural head glow finish with blush, bronzer, and highlighter in one, choose Bronze Goddess Healthy Glow Bronzer. If you want long well enhanced cheekbone and add dimension to your face, go on Pure Color MV Sculpting Blush. It's ideal for both everyday and special events. Pink for year-round, peach for spring or summer, deeper mauve or warm tones for fall or winters. If you are interested in beginner makeup kits, I make many brand kits for you. You can check out here. Concealer. If you have oily or combination or acne-prone skin, or if you want a concealer that lasts all day without creasing, use the Well Stay in Place Flawless Well Concealer. If you have dull, normal, dry or mature skin, and if you are looking for a conceal, brighten, hydrate, boost radiance concealer with a soft, radiant finish, choose Futurist Soft Touch Brightening Skincealer Concealer. It is a good option if you want a waterproof, sweat-resistant, lightweight concealer for both outdoor or active use and daily. It is a good option for fall or winter. Setting powder. If you have oily or combination skin and need a long-lasting matte finish and more coverage, use the Well Stay in Place Matte Powder Foundation. If you prefer a lightweight sheer coverage to set foundation and fresh look with a photo-ready finish, go on the Well Sheer Flattery Loose Powder. It is ideal for formal events and long days. Mascara. If you want bold and false lash effect, Sumptuous Extreme Waterproof Lash Multiplying Volume Mascara is for you. If you are looking for an everyday mascara or need a reliable, smudge-proof option for long hours, choose the Zero-Smudge Lengthening Mascara. If you prefer both volume and length, go on Turbo Lash High-Powered Volume Plus Length Mascara. Lip gloss. If you want a ball of color with a lightweight hydration, plumping, and a radiant, glowing finish, choose Pure Color Revitalizing Crystal Balm. If you prefer a pamper, fuller-looking lips with a soft, glossy finish, Pure Color MV Lip Volumizer is for you. If you need a lip treatment to repel damage, Pure Color MV Lip Repair Potion is a great choice. After you choose lipstick, blush, concealer, powder, mascara, and lip gloss. Now we have an essential version of the Estée Lauder Beginner Makeup Starter Kit. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my Cutie Lucy's channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. If you are interested in beginner makeup kits, I make many brand kits for you. You can check out here. Bye!